Hello， 大家，今天分享的话题呢是跟天空和观星有关的，然后会有两个部分。第一个呢是 Part 2的一个 short speech， 第二个呢是一个 Part 3两道问题的一个回答。我们看一下可以怎么样说吧。Well, the sky I always long to see is the one in North Europe, in countries like Iceland, Norway, or Sweden, where I could see aurora lights in winter. And if possible, I would like to go there with my family members, with my loved one, and maybe a few close friends if chances allow. The reason is because it's such a rare experience and a rare opportunity. So if I really have the chance, I would like everyone I love, I treasure in my life to be there with me. Not sure if it's very selfish, but that's what I hope to do one day in the future. And to someone like me who lives close to the equator, it's not like we get a chance every so often to go to the north, at least not to a part where I can actually see aurora lights. So to me, it would really be an experience once in a lifetime. And even though when the right time comes for the lights to appear, it will be very, very cold because usually it's in winter and those places are of a very high latitude, so it will be extremely cold. Yet, if I can see the lights, it will be totally worth it to endure the coldness, because after all, it's such a privilege and it's such luck for me to see the lights. I think the lights are a gift and truly a wonder given by nature, so I would be really privileged if I could see them. And as we know, aurora lights are controlled by several factors, including the Earth's magnetic field, the speed of the wind, and also perhaps the clarity of the sky. So you really have to wait for your chance and your time for the lights to appear. And that's why I said just now, it will be very, very lucky if I could really see it. And that's why seeing the aurora lights in the northern European sky has become one of the items in my to-do list, in my bucket list. Well, I think everyone should have some knowledge about the stars, not just kids, teens, adults, everyone practically. But in this question in particular, kids should definitely acquire knowledge of the stars. And in fact, the earlier it is to expose people, to expose kids to the universe, the better it is for them to cultivate a sense of belonging and also perhaps a sense of responsibility to protect our planet. As you know, we are probably not alone in the universe, in a huge universe. There are probably some other species, some higher intelligent species out there in the universe. So knowing where we are in the universe, knowing our place, our position in the universe in relation to other stars will be beneficial to the cognitive development of children. And that's why I think they should definitely acquire some knowledge about the stars. I think high technology is definitely helpful for star watching, especially you watch the stars for a scientific or a very specific purpose, like you would like to record the changing of the atmosphere around the star, or you like to observe the surface of the star in a closer manner. Then having high technology products, telescopes in particular, would be very, very beneficial. And I think as our exploration into the universe deepens and develops, I think it really calls for better equipment to allow us to make further advances in our research, and that's why high technology products will be very helpful. And also with the popularity of high technology products, telescopes, for example, common people like you and me, you and I, will have a chance to observe the stars in a closer way. So I think overall it will be very beneficial.